Direct and indirect taxes, 10 marks. Taxes are a major source of public revenue and are classified into direct taxes and indirect taxes. They help the government finance public expenditure and promote economic development. 1. Direct taxes. Direct taxes are levied directly on the income or wealth of individuals or organizations. The person on whom the tax is imposed pays it directly to the government and cannot shift the burden to others. Characteristics. Based on the ability to pay principal. Non-transferable, the taxpayer bears the full burden. Progressive in nature, reducing income inequality. Examples. Income tax, tax on personal or corporate income. Property tax, tax on land, buildings, and other assets. Wealth tax, tax on total wealth owned by individuals. Corporate tax, tax on company profits. Advantages. Ensures equitable distribution of wealth. Stable and predictable revenue source. Encourages social justice. 2. Indirect taxes. Indirect taxes are levied on goods and services. They are collected from producers or sellers, who pass the tax burden on to consumers by including it in the price. Characteristics. Paid indirectly by consumers through higher prices. Can be regressive, affecting lower income groups more. Flexible and can adjust to economic conditions. Examples. Goods and services tax, GST tax on production and consumption of goods and services. Excise duty, tax on manufacture of goods. Customs duty, tax on imports and exports. Sales tax, tax on sale of goods. Advantages. Easier to collect than direct taxes. Generates large revenue quickly. Can influence consumption patterns and discourage harmful goods. 3. Comparison between direct and indirect taxes. Basis. Direct tax. Indirect tax. Burden. Cannot be shifted. Can be shifted. To consumers. Equity. Progressive. Regressive. Payment. Paid directly by taxpayer. Paid indirectly through prices. Collection. Requires administration. Easier to collect. Examples. Income tax, wealth tax. GST, customs duty, excise. Conclusion. Both direct and indirect taxes are essential for raising government revenue, financing public services, and promoting economic development. Direct taxes ensure equity and social justice, while indirect taxes are flexible, easy to collect, and generate large revenue. A balanced combination of both types is necessary for an efficient and fair tax system. Impact and incidence of taxation, 10 marks. Taxation is the compulsory contribution imposed by the government on individuals, businesses, or goods and services. To understand its effect on the economy, we study the impact and incidence of taxation. 1. Impact of tax. The impact of tax refers to the person or entity on whom the tax is legally imposed or levied. It is the first payer of the tax who remits it to the government. Key points. The initial or legal liability lies with the taxpayer. In direct taxes, the impact is borne by the same person who pays it. Examples. Income tax paid by an individual. Corporate tax paid by a company. Excise duty initially paid by a manufacturer. 2. Incidence of tax. The incidence of tax refers to the person or group who ultimately bears the economic burden of the tax. Sometimes, the taxpayer can shift the burden to others, usually through higher prices of goods and services. Key points. Reflects who actually suffers the tax economically. In direct taxes, impact is equal to incidence. In indirect taxes, the incidence may fall on consumers rather than producers. Examples. Excise duty paid by manufacturers but passed on to consumers via higher prices. Sales tax included in product price, borne by buyers. 3 key differences between impact and incidence. Feature. Impact. Incidence. Meaning. Initial payer of tax. Ultimate bearer of tax burden. Burden. Legal or formal. Economic or real. Shifting. Cannot be shifted, direct taxes. Can be shifted, indirect taxes. Example. Income tax on an individual. Excise duty passed to consumers. 4. Importance. Helps in designing equitable taxation systems. Shows who ultimately bears the cost of taxation. Guides policy decisions on direct versus indirect taxes. Important for economic planning and fiscal management. Conclusion. Direct taxes, impact is equal to incidence, the taxpayer bears the full burden. Indirect taxes, impact is not equal to incidence, the burden can be shifted to others. Understanding impact and incidence is essential for fair taxation, revenue planning, and economic stability. Public expenditure classification, 10 marks. Public expenditure refers to the spending